The present simple in English is the tense that contain two components, the present time and the simple aspect. The present time describes everything that is now, or any time that includes now. The simple aspect means that the action, or state, is just simple, without any aspects. The present simple tense is easy to form. Just use the present tense verb form, base form of the verb, infinitive without to. The third person singular takes s at the end. Questions and negatives. As a rule, helping verbs help to ask questions or make negatives. To ask questions or make negatives in present simple, we use the forms of the helping verb to do. For the question, we add the form of the helping verb to do before the subject. For the negative, we add the form of the helping verb to do and not after it. There is a special order of questions and negatives with the verb to be. For the question, we just move the verb to be before the subject. For the negative, we just add not after the verb to be. The present simple tense is used to express 1. Facts, general truths. That means that something is or does, now and always. 2. Unchanging situations. These situations are permanent and include now. 3. Regular, repeated actions. In these cases, the present simple tense describes the frequency that includes now. 'Be careful. The simple present is not used to express actions happening right now. Time indicators. Time indicators help to determine the tense in a sentence. For the present simple tense, following time indicators are typical: always, usually, often, sometimes, never, on Wednesdays, every Wednesday, twice a week, once a month, every day, in general. Word order. In the present simple tense, indefinite adverbs of frequency that made up of one word, always, usually, often, sometimes, never, are usually placed before the main verb, but after subject and the helping verb if there is one, or after the verb to be. Other time indicators are usually placed at the end of the sentence.